Are you also one of those people whose cholesterol levels came out high in a blood test, and now the thought of taking lifelong medicines is worrying you? But what if I told you that there is a natural and scientifically proven way to control cholesterol? So powerful, but within just a few weeks, it can clear out the cholesterol stuck in your arteries, make your heart healthier, and reduce the risk of a heart attack. I'm sure you definitely want to know about it. I know a patient named Anil. He was 48 years old, active, full-time job, a happy family. But during a routine health checkup, he found out that his LDL cholesterol was extremely high. This shocked him, and he immediately showed the report to his doctor. And as usual, the doctor started him on cholesterol-lowering medicines right away. From that day on, his life became all about medicines, regular blood tests, and the constant fear that if he ever missed a dose, something terrible might happen. That was still manageable, but the most painful part was the side effects of these medicines: fatigue, acidity, and body aches. Every day brought a new problem. Friends, to be honest, this problem isn't just Anil's. There are thousands of people struggling with high cholesterol, taking pills blindly day and night. But today, we are not going to talk about medicines. Today, we'll talk about a natural solution. And this solution is not some complicated remedy. It's just a simple tea. Interestingly, most doctors don't even know about this tea, and even the ones who do rarely share it, because if they did, many businesses would shut down. So what exactly is this tea? How is it made? What ingredients go into it? And what does science say about it? In today's video, we're going to explore all of this. So make sure you watch the video till the end and pay close attention. High cholesterol is one of those health problems that shows no symptoms in the beginning. But slowly it starts creating blockages in your arteries and greatly increases the risk of heart attacks or strokes, especially LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol. If it gets too high, it can be extremely harmful to your heart health. But do you know what the biggest problem is? The problem isn't just that cholesterol levels are high. A real problem is that most people believe that medicines are the only option and that they will have to take them for the rest of their lives. But is that really true? Do you have to depend on medicines forever? Absolutely not. By modifying your diet, lifestyle, and including a few good habits, you can easily keep your cholesterol under control. The only issue is, it takes effort. And unfortunately, we've lost the habit of making real efforts. We want everything quick and easy. That's exactly why cholesterol has become like an epidemic these days. But don't worry. The tea I'm about to tell you about today can naturally help reduce your high cholesterol. It will help you a lot in naturally controlling your cholesterol. But friends, before we move forward, I want to tell you that now you can also get personalized online consultation from me. For this, you just need to fill out a simple form where you'll write about your health problems, daily routine, medical details, lab reports if you have any, and answer a few other basic questions. I and my team will personally study every single case and then suggest to you a personalized health plan, which will include a complete health analysis. You will get suggestions for some safe Ayurvedic or Unani medicines, simple DIY home remedies, clear and practical advice for diet and lifestyle, and if required, even some easy exercises. You can start your consultation by clicking the link in the description, scanning the QR code on the screen, or simply calling or WhatsApping us on the number given. Now let's talk about this tea. To make it, you only need 4 ingredients: fenugreek, methi, Indian gooseberry, amla, ginger, and cinnamon. Now you may ask, why only these 4 and not others? The answer is simple. All of these ingredients are scientifically proven to naturally reduce cholesterol. Fenugreek contains soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol and removes it from the body before it gets absorbed. In fact, this is the main ingredient of our tea. Research shows that fenugreek doesn't just lower LDL, bad cholesterol, it also reduces triglycerides, which are even worse for artery blockages than LDL. At the same time, it does not reduce HDL, good cholesterol. Instead, it improves it, which is great for your heart. Amla is a powerful antioxidant. It detoxifies the liver and boosts your body's natural cholesterol cleansing system. Studies show that consuming amla also increases HDL, the good cholesterol. Ginger and cinnamon help control blood fats, reduce inflammation in the body, and improve insulin sensitivity. When insulin works properly, your cells receive it efficiently. Fat metabolism improves, and this directly helps in lowering cholesterol. So when these 4 powerful ingredients are combined, they make this tea, which I like to call the Cardio Kadha. It's a herbal tea that not only controls cholesterol, but also supports overall heart health. And the best part, it's very easy to make and takes only 5 minutes. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and soak them in a glass of water overnight. This water will become the base of your tea. 2. Next morning, crush a small piece of ginger, about 1 centimeter, and add it to the same water. 3. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder, not the regular cassia cinnamon. 4. Boil this mixture on low flame for about 5 minutes. 5. Turn off the flame, then add half a teaspoon of amla powder. Cover it with a lid and let it steep for 2 minutes. 6. Strain it into a cup. If you like, you can add a few drops of lemon juice or half a teaspoon of honey for taste. That's it. Your Cardio Kadha is ready. Drink 1 cup every morning on an empty stomach. Just 1 cup daily. With regular use, within 3 to 4 weeks, you will definitely notice a difference in your blood reports. So from today itself, make this fenugreek-based Cardio Kadha a part of your morning routine. Just 1 cup, but take it regularly. And yes, when you try it, don't forget to share your experience in the comments. Your journey may become a source of motivation for someone else, and it will also help us understand how our remedies are making a difference in the lives of our viewers, our brothers and sisters. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, if something wasn't clear, or if you want videos on certain topics in the future, make sure to write it in the comments. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning something new every day, and stay healthy always.